Hey guys, Kristen here at Redwater Dodge, home of the $10 oil change rig ready Rams. Now we buy your Ram. Behind me there's a 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan. So this van you do have the color match bumper with your built-in fog lights. Underneath the hood there is the 3.6 liter Pentastar. You do have blacked out 17-inch rims on this one. This one also has the color match mirrors with your cross path detection monitoring and your blind spot monitoring. You have power doors on this one, so just pull the handle. Stow and go seating. You can also close it by pulling the handle as well. Stow and go seating on this one. At the back you have your color match bumper with your built-in park sensors, a hitch receiver, your built-in backup camera, and then in the back you also have the third row stow and go seating. Super easy to do. It's just 4 quick straps and your seats fold right flat. And then you can also close the hatch at the push of a button. It gives you a couple warning beeps to get out of the way, and then it goes and closes. It does have heated seats as well as a heated steering wheel. You have the nice big touch screen that does have navigation on it. You have dual climate control on this one. As well, you can control the back climate separately from the front. Lots of storage in here in your center console area, as well as your 2 glove boxes. But we'll check out the back seat. So in the back here, you do see that it does have the sunshade that slides up from the door panel. It does have that on both doors. The stow and go seating for this second row is also super easy to do. I'll show you how to do it in just a sec here. Obviously this one is already stowed. Tons of room with this one up as well. So the first step to stow and go seating on these second rows is to make sure that your front seat is pushed all the way forward. If you don't do that, this back seat will hit on the front seat and you'll have a hard time getting it to stow. You move your floor mat out of the way, and then there's a little lever down here that releases your floor. You hold the floor up, and then there's a lever on the side of the seat that flips the seat up, push it down, and then you can clip the floor right back into place. This van also has your climate control separate from the front to the back. You can control it from the back here as well. And then you also have a DVD player. If you're interested in this van and want to see 30+ pictures and pricing, click the link below or give us a call, 780-942-3629.